Hi, today I'm for the Lenovo Tab P11 and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So first we should open the top bar, the control panel, and just if you don't see here the torch icon, you should click to this edit icon, scroll down and find the torch. Just hold for a while this icon and drag it here to this up section, then just click to go back. And now we can see the flashlight icon here, so click just once on the flashlight icon and now we can see that the flashlight successfully activated. If you wanna just turn it off, click on the torch icon once again. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.